Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best LP record cleaner kit is probably one of the most essential investments any vinyl enthusiast can make, ensuring that your cherished LPs not only sound their absolute best but also remain in pristine condition for years to come, preserving their audio fidelity and collectible value against the inevitable dust, grime, and static that can accumulate over time, thus safeguarding your music library. Number 5. Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Rediscover the crisp, clear sound of your favorite vinyl records. This kit provides everything you need to bring them back to life. Our comprehensive kit includes an ultra-soft velvet brush, a powerful cleaning liquid, and a delicate stylus brush. It's the ultimate solution for pristine record care. Safely remove dust and grime without damaging your precious vinyl. The specialized tools ensure a thorough clean, preserving the integrity of your records. Maintain the quality of your vinyl collection with ease. This kit offers professional-grade care in a convenient package. Everything you need is neatly organized in the included storage pouch. Keep your cleaning essentials protected and ready for use anytime. Invest in the longevity of your vinyl. This all-in-one cleaning kit ensures your records sound as good as the day you bought them. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your vinyl care needs. It includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning. If you're looking for an all-in-one package to get started with record maintenance, this is a great choice. What people say. The brush is soft and does not scratch the records. It comes with a cleaning solution that effectively removes dust and grime. The kit includes a velvet brush, a cleaning solution, and a stylus brush, making it a comprehensive package for record maintenance. Number 4. KAIU Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Keep your vinyl collection pristine with our comprehensive cleaning kit. It's designed to remove dust and dirt effectively, ensuring optimal sound quality. Our specialized fluid features an anti-static formula. This helps to prevent dust attraction and reduces static noise for a cleaner listening experience. Protect your record labels from moisture with the included silicone protector. This ensures the integrity of your vinyl's artwork and information. Gently clean your records using the soft, high-quality microfiber cloth. It effectively lifts away debris without scratching the delicate surface. This 3-in-1 kit provides everything you need for thorough vinyl care. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your cherished albums. Rediscover the rich sound of your vinyl records. With this kit, you can easily remove unwanted dust and dirt, bringing your music back to life. What we like. Experience a cleaner sound with its specialized anti-static formula. The included label protector ensures your record center remains untouched during cleaning. If you prioritize reducing static and protecting labels while cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit includes a velvet brush for gentle cleaning and a carbon fiber brush for deeper cleaning. The cleaning fluid effectively removes dust and fingerprints without leaving residue. The kit comes with a stylus brush to maintain the needle's performance. Number 3. Big Fudge Record POW Vinyl Roller Cleaner. Tired of dusty records ruining your listening experience? With this innovative cleaner, you can have your vinyl ready to play in under 5 seconds. Just a quick roll is all it takes. Unlike other cleaners, this tool uses a special gel that effectively lifts dust and debris from deep within the grooves. It leaves no sticky residue behind, ensuring pure audio quality. This versatile roller isn't just for your records. It's perfect for cleaning cell phone screens, computer monitors, and other glass surfaces. Stop spreading dust around and start cleaning effectively. When it gets dirty, simply rinse it under warm water and let it dry. It's ready to tackle dust from multiple albums, session after session. Plus, the included cap keeps it clean when not in use. Designed by vinyl enthusiasts for fellow collectors, this cleaner comes in attractive gift packaging. It makes an ideal stocking stuffer for any music lover. What we like. Get your records ready to play in seconds with this innovative roller. Its unique gel technology lifts dust without leaving any residue. If you value speed and convenience for quick cleanups between plays, this is your go-to solution. What people say. The brush is soft and does not scratch the vinyl. It comes with a cleaning solution that effectively removes dust and grime. The kit includes a velvet brush, cleaning fluid, and a microfiber cloth, providing a complete cleaning solution. Number 2. Vinyl Record Cleaner Kit. Rediscover the pristine sound of your vinyl collection. This kit is designed to bring back the clarity and depth you love. Our anti-static velvet brush gently removes dust and debris without scratching. Keep your records looking and sounding their best with every use. Don't forget your stylus. The included small brush ensures it's free from buildup, protecting both your needle and your precious vinyl. The 60 ml cleaning spray is specially formulated to tackle grime and static. It's the perfect companion for daily maintenance and preserving sound quality. Regular use of this kit helps prevent wear and tear, ensuring your favorite albums can be enjoyed for years to come. Invest in the longevity of your music. Hear the difference a clean record makes. Enjoy richer, clearer audio and a truly immersive listening experience every time you play your vinyl. What we like. This kit is perfect for keeping your records in top shape for everyday listening. It combines a gentle velvet brush with a dedicated stylus cleaner for optimal sound. If you're seeking a simple, effective solution for regular upkeep and maintaining sound quality, consider this option. What people say. The kit includes a velvet brush for dust removal and a cleaning fluid that effectively removes fingerprints and grime. The cleaning fluid is alcohol-free and safe for all vinyl records, preventing damage to the grooves. The kit comes with a microfiber cloth for drying and polishing, leaving records looking and sounding great. Number 1. Stock your home vinyl record cleaning kit. Enjoy pristine audio quality with our comprehensive cleaning kit. It easily removes dirt and dust from your records and player, ensuring every note is heard with perfect clarity. Crafted with high-quality materials, including durable wood handles and gentle bristles, this kit is designed for long-term care of your vinyl. The alcohol-free solutions protect your records and stylus. By removing unwanted dirt and smudges, you can significantly improve the sound of your vinyl. This kit not only preserves your albums but also elevates your entire music enjoyment. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This complete and stylish cleaning kit is ideal for any vinyl lover. Show them you appreciate their passion for music with a practical and impressive present. This 6-piece set includes all the essentials: a gel cleaner for needles, specialized brushes for stylus and records, a cleaning spray, and a protective duster bag. It's the ultimate solution for vinyl care. What we like. This extensive set provides all the tools for a complete vinyl care routine. Featuring high-quality components like wood handles, it ensures durability and a premium feel. If you desire a comprehensive, long-lasting kit for serious vinyl enthusiasts, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The kit includes a velvet brush for gentle cleaning, a cleaning fluid that effectively removes dust and fingerprints, and a stylus brush to maintain the needle. The record brush is effective at removing surface dust and static, leaving records sounding cleaner. The cleaning fluid is non-alcoholic and safe for vinyl, and it dries quickly without leaving residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.